In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Brave browser. First, let's start by downloading Brave. Open your current web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you typically use. It's important to use a familiar browser because you will need it to access the Brave website. Once your browser is open, you can type in the web address for the Brave download page. This is where you will find the official version of Brave, ensuring you get the latest and safest version available. Once you reach the page, you will see a clear option to download the browser. Now that you're on the Brave download page, look for the prominent button that says Download Brave. This button is usually brightly colored, making it easy to spot. When you click this button, downloading will begin automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few moments. This step is crucial because it allows you to access Brave's unique features such as enhanced privacy and speed. You can take a break while the file downloads, knowing you are one step closer to a better browsing experience. Once the download is complete, it's time to open the downloaded file. Navigate to your Downloads folder or check the bottom of your browser window where you might see the file listed. The file will likely be named something like bravesetup.exe for Windows or brave.dmg for Mac. Clicking on this file will start the installation process. This is an essential step because it prepares Brave to be installed on your computer, allowing you to enjoy its benefits. Next, follow the installation prompts that appear on your screen. The installation wizard will guide you through the setup process. You might see options to customize the installation, like choosing the installation location. It's usually best to go with the default options unless you have specific preferences. Following these prompts is vital because it ensures a smooth installation of the browser on your system. You will see progress indicators, which helps reassure you that the installation is progressing as expected. After the installation is finished, it's time to launch Brave. You can do this by finding the Brave icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Double-click the icon to open the browser. This step matters because it's the moment you finally get to experience the Brave browser and its unique features. The first time you launch Brave, you may see a welcome screen that introduces you to its key features and benefits. Take a moment to explore this screen as it provides valuable insights into how Brave can enhance your online experience. By completing these steps, you now have Brave browser set up on your device. You can enjoy faster browsing speeds, enhanced privacy features, and access to a wide variety of websites without unnecessary ads. This setup process is straightforward, and you should feel confident navigating it. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to refer back to this guide. In summary, downloading and installing Brave is a simple yet important process. You have taken all the necessary steps to enhance your browsing experience. Enjoy your new browser, and remember that you can always return to this video if you need a refresher. Happy browsing!